Hey guys, welcome to another video. So today's video is kind of special. It's kind of special because 4090 का kind of first liquid cooling build हम लोग ship कर रहे हैं. Amazing. By the time you actually watch this video, this would have already been shipped to Chennai if I'm not mistaken and be at the customer place. It's pretty brilliant actually. 7950X जिसमें TT का डिस्प्ले वाला कूलर है and of course इसमें है iChill 4090. मतलब काफी surprising है. That entire card can just be cooled by this kind of a block. So I won't bore you any further. I will just leave you with amazing shots of the build. And before you go, do like, share and subscribe. Also, if you didn't already know, we have stores in Gurgaon, in Hyderabad and in Bangalore. So you can reach out physically or by WhatsApp or by email or even go to our website. So yeah, thank you for watching.